This lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is CC link communications in Mitsubishi PLC. It's a very important communication system in industrial point of view, because sometimes we have a lot of input from distant over PLC, like for example, from the distance of the 500 meter from PLC we have the 100 inputs. So it's very difficult to attach to 100 input with our PLC by using 100 wires, input wires. So for this communication system we have to use CC link communication system in Mitsubishi PLC. CC link is the abbreviation of the control and communication link. Okay, this is the abbreviation of the control and communication system. Okay, and let's come on the picture. You can see this is a one picture, and this is a master station, this is a one PLC, and this is a attach some a remote IO module. Like we want to use 100, 200, 300 input from our distant from PLC. So we can use remote IO module, and we will attach this module by 2 wires or internet wire. Okay, and it's a local station is the other PLC, and this is another remote device module is a HMI. All the devices are communicated with each other by CC link communication system. And you have to note you have to use 2 resistors. Is a terminating resistor is a from one side, and this is the last one of device. Okay, you have to use transistor, terminating resistor. Okay, you can see this is the one other picture of the master and slave. Sorry, this is the station 1 is a master station, is a one PLC and communicating to other devices like other remote IO modules and PLC. And is the station 1, station 2, station 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see this is the local station is the other PLC. This is the remote stations. Okay, you can see one picture. In this lecture I will tell you about the programming of this communication system and wiring of this system. And you can see this is a programming CPU, and this is our CC link communication module, and this is a QJ61BT11, and these are very easy available in market, and you have to use this module for CC link communication. And these are 2 remote IO module. If you want to use some inputs output from the distance, so you can easily use these modules, remote module, and this is communicated by each other by 2 wires or internet wire. Okay, so in this lecture I will tell you about this programming. And for the detail of this module is the CC link module. So come in the folder, and you can open these are our QJ61BT11 control communication CC link module. We can also use a master as a local module. These are all the this is a module front view, and this is a light indicators, and this is a station. If you want to use as a master, you have to put 0. You have to set the 0 station. Okay, this is a mode, and this is a communication terminals. Come on the detail. Is a LED display. A run if on, it means module is normal working. If is off, mean to say is a watchdog timer error. And is a error is a communication. It's on, it means is a some error in communication stations. If your MST light is on, it mean it's a use as a master station. Is MST mean to is a standby master station. Okay, all the LEDs has some messages. Okay, is a station setting. If I move this error to 0, means it is a master station. If I move the 1, 2, 3, then it will be 1 to 64 station we can attach with this communication. and this is a transmission rate mode setting. Okay, if I move to 0, it means I selected 156 kbps transmission rate. If I move to 2, it means I will choose 625 kbps. Okay, and these are terminals. Okay, you by using this terminal you have connect to this master module to other slave stations. This is our wiring diagram. You can see here is a DA, DB, DG and SL two points, and this is a terminator, the terminal resistor, and this is another terminal resistor is the last one, is the start one. You have to use CC link dedicated cable for communicating the master module to remote module or local module. Okay, I also show the picture of the communication. You can see this is a colorful diagram, and this is a master module terminal, this is a remote, and this is a remote IO module. Okay, and all this is a dedicated CC link cable, and this is a white diagram, and this is a two terminating resistors, and this is a 110 ohm and 0.5 watt of power. Okay, come on the picture. Okay, so this is our remote IO module, input module, and by this LED you can see that is running, and this is the error message, and this is a transmission rate speed. If you selected like same this one, if you selected 0 as a master station, then it will be station 1 and other station will be 2. Okay, and by you have selected the transmission mode, same, this is a setting of the same transmission speed setting for the IO remote module. Okay, so let's come to the programming. This is our one hardware, and I have told you the wiring, and now I will tell you of the is programming. So let's come on the software GX works 2. And go to new project and select QCPU, and I will select Q06. Okay, and now go to parameter, PLC parameter, and go to IO assignment, and here you have to put your CPU Q06H, and here I will select my master module CC link. Okay, this is number is QJ61BT11N. So I will, this is the intelligent module, and I will is here QJ61 QJ61 B T11 N. Okay, and you have to select start input output. I will select 0. Okay, and go to check, is there no error, and go to end. No time is CC link setting, so you have to put number module of 1, and here you have to tell start IO number is we have start from 0. Okay, and go to set the station information. Okay, and as a this is a master station, is a PLC parameter auto start, is a remote, and is a you have to put, like I will select X500 for remote input, and for output we'll select Y500. Is a remote output, and this is a remote resistor W0, and W100 for remote resistor, and same special relay SB0, sorry, SB0, and this is a SW0. I have selected all the remote input, output, registers and special relays, okay, by giving the some reference numbers, okay. So now go to the CC link configuration. So go to the find a module. I will find a module according to my picture. This is the AJ61BTB2. AJ65 B2 BTB2 BT B2 16T. I will search it. You is over 16 point DC input. I will pick and drag here. Okay, this is our remote station number 1. And other one is AJ65BTC1. So I will choose here C1. And 32D. This is our 62 point DC input, and I will here use. Okay, this is our station number 2. Okay, now go to the CC link configuration and have to check it. Go the system is a no error and warning. Go to OK and go to no, close this car setting and go to no. Okay, this is our setting, and you can the total module number 2s. Okay, we have select 2 module with our master module. Okay, and go to check, there is no error and it's the end. Now you can programming according to your project. I will select like X500 for remote input and Y500 for remote output. Is a simple input and output. You can use your inputs output according to your setting. If you have any problem in this programming and hardware connection, so you can raise a question on the comment box, and you also text on our WhatsApp number. Our team will give you the solution. Okay, bye.